Buy these before you regret it, because I think the price is gonna go up. Please take a second to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button down below. It really does help me and help the channel grow. Thank you guys so much for smashing that like button and joining the More family by hitting that subscribe button. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Let's get into this straight fire video. These Air Jordans are not going for much over retail at all, and I think they're gonna stay there for quite some time. But I think you guys should buy this Air Jordan before you regret it, because I think the price is definitely gonna go up over time. It will take time. You have time on these. However, I definitely think they're going up to $350. There's no real reason why they wouldn't go up, and I'll explain why I believe they'll go up in just a minute. But let's take a look at these. These are fire, a must-have. I'm excited. I did pick up a pair you guys saw in a recent video, the mall vlog, the car vlog, and here we have the box. This is beautiful. They brought them back. I'm excited for these. Let's open them up and let's take a look. I got these from Finish Line. Finish Line gave me access. They actually gave me access for in-store. Of course, I was too late. My size was gone. But it was okay, because I did wind up getting a pair from Champs. However, Finish Line did give me access again for the ship-to-home option. So that's what I did. I reserved them and got another pair. So 2 pairs now. Must have. I'm buying pairs because I know I'm going to regret not having these later on. So I'm definitely buying right now. Woo! The Air Jordan 3 Fire Red. Classic OG with that beautiful Nike Air on the back. These are fire, straight fire, and they're must-haves for my personal sneaker collection. We'll talk about prices, what I think is gonna happen to the Fire Red Air Jordan 3. Free giveaway for the Reverse Mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Reverse Mocha Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. For a bonus entry, you guys can give me a follow on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. Good luck. This is the first time since 1988 we have the Fire Red 3 with Nike Air on the back. It's taken so long for Jordan Brand and Nike to give it to us, but they finally did with that Nike Air on the back, and the elephant print is also true to its OG form. Recent retros of the Fire Red 3s from 2007, 2013, they had the darker elephant print. Personally, I like the look of both. I think both are clean, but I of course prefer that beautiful Nike Air on the back. It's a great touch. The Nike Air on the back plays a huge factor into price going up on these sneakers, and here's why. Take a look at the Black Cement 3 prices with Nike Air on the back. Take a look at True Blue Air Jordan 3s with Nike Air on the back. These are now $350, $400. These are what, $450? They were touching like $500, and these are about retail. Not much over retail at all. Bigger sizes, a little bit more. It'll drop probably. So they're going for about retail. If not, you can get them for a little bit less than retail. I know people are doing that, using discounts and everything. Do that. Now, the thing that separates the Fire Red 3 from really the True Blue, the Black Cement, is we have very close renditions of the Fire Red 3. There's the Denim Fire Red 3, I believe it's called, or Denim 3. There's also the Katrina 3. There's another pair of 3s that's very similar that has the red as well. There's similar colorways to the Fire Reds, which will not allow the price to go up faster. Katrina 3s, these other recent 3s are not going for crazy money, and they look kind of similar to the Fire Reds. Now, more people are probably going to prefer the Fire Red because it is an OG, has the Nike Air on the back. It's not a new colorway. But the prices are going to take a while, and I mean a while, to really go up on these. Do I think they'll touch $350? Yes. It will take time. They took time. Black Cements took time. These were going for not much over retail when they dropped. And the True Blues, don't forget about the True Blues. these sat and went on sale. Don't sleep on the Fire Reds, guys. Don't sleep on them. If you can get them for retail, about retail, under retail, buy them. And I think if you want a long hold, a bunch of pairs, you can. But I highly recommend don't doing that now. Do it later on. You have time on this investment, in my opinion. I don't see them really skyrocketing to $300, $350 anytime soon. I think we have a good amount of time on the Fire Reds. I'm buying Fire Red 3s because I know people that want pairs. I'm giving them for good prices. I also know that I need a personal. I have my personal already. So yeah, man, don't sleep on the Fire Red 3s. If you're looking for a clean colorway, a nice wearable shoe, this is it. This is a great release, one of the best Air Jordan releases of the entire year, in my opinion. Definitely top 10. I'll be wearing my Fire Red 3s, and when I do, I'm gonna put Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom. I have Drip Grip on my Nike Off-White Dunks, and as you guys can see, all the dirt and grime goes on the sole protector and not the bottom of the shoe. This is what it looks like without Drip Grip on the bottom on my True Blue 3s, and this is what it looks like on my black cement 3s with Drip Grip after I peeled it off. They look brand new on the bottom. You guys can copy your Drip Grip sole protectors with my link down below in the description. Click that link and use my code DANNY10 at checkout. That'll give you 10% off your order. I highly recommend Drip Grip if you want to avoid your outsoles looking like this after you wear them, and more like brand new after you wear them. There's a handful of 3s that are going up in price or have gone up in price. However, they do take time. The Jordan 3 is not the Jordan 1, it's not the Jordan 4. It does take time, but they do eventually creep up in price, and you wind up regretting it later on. When the price is low, and you can get them for a good deal, I recommend doing it. Because later on, 2 years from now, you're gonna regret it if you don't have them for basically retail compared to when they're going for $350, which I think is gonna be the case. I think it's gonna be the case. Don't sleep and buy the Fire Red 3s before you regret it. Smash that like button for me. Let's see if we can get this video up to 500 likes. That would be amazing. And make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Let me know if you agree with me. Do you think the Fire Red 3s will eventually go up in price? Or do you think these are just gonna remain at around retail for a long time? Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to enter the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 giveaway. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size. Be sure to DM me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369. Get that bonus entry. Send me proof that you guys subscribed and left a comment. I'll be giving these away at 60,000 subscribers very soon, so make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.